Hello everyone, Nate Vincent here with FCP Euro. We have an XC90 behind me and this is the first time we're going to be doing the brakes off of warranty. Now if you're shopping for brakes for your car, you may realize that Volvo has different brake options. This video is going to be all about explaining how to determine what brakes your car has and make sure you order the right ones so you can get the job done yourself. So right here we have both brake options for the Volvo XC90 behind me. Right here we have the 366mm rotor, and over here we have the 345mm rotor. Now considering that there's two different size rotors here, let's talk about some of the ways that we can identify what brakes your car needs so you can make sure you order the right parts. So unfortunately there's no easy identifiers to figure out what size rotor you have. You can't say this is just a T6 or this is a T5. There's nothing that is consistent. The only way we can determine this is by using the actual VIN of the car. Now, second to that, the other thing we can do is actually measure the brake rotor. So you can tape measure right across the diameter of the rotor and you can measure this and you will know what size it is. And our website describes this is a 366 and this is a 345mm rotor. Now, if you don't want to go out and jack your car up, take the wheel off and measure the rotors, we have an easier solution for you. Let me explain. So here we are on the home page. Now we're going to enter the car and then we're going to find out exactly what brake package the car that we have has. Now first is add car, year 2018, make Volvo, and model is XC90, submodel is T5 Momentum, and down here we are going to select an all-wheel drive transmission. Now from here we can go dive in deeper. We're going to go to the brake category. Now that we're in brake category, we can see that we can click on any of these brake kits and they're going to give us further information about that brake kit. Now I'm going to click on this Techstar kit right here, and you can see if I scroll down and go to product information, that is where it's going to highlight actual brake rotor diameter in millimeters. As you see, we were talking about the 366, this is the 366 brake rotor. Now if I didn't measure it and I want to find out, this is where I can figure this out. I can go here to get my brake size. That is going to prompt an email to service@fcpeuro.com, and I'm going to enter the VIN number right here, send this off, and I should hear back shortly on exactly what brake package my car has so I can make sure to order the right parts. Now that you've identified what brake package your Volvo comes with, you've actually done the most challenging part of the job. If you click the link in the description below, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process on how to replace the brakes on this Volvo XC90 right behind me. Please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing, and we'll catch you on the next one.